हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम सत्यनारायण शाह। यू आर वाचिंग एसएनएस वर्ल्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। आप लोग कैसे हैं? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज हम हिस्ट्री का पहला लेसन मेडिएवल यूरोप राइज एंड स्प्रेड ऑफ क्रिश्चियनिटी का क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस करेंगे। फर्स्ट, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। अर्ली मेडिएवल पीरियड लास्टेड फ्रॉम 8th century to the dash century 18th century. Jesus was born in dash Judea. After Jesus' death, the cross became sacred to the Christian. Crucifixion. The Roman governor Dash sentenced Jesus to death. Pontius Pilate. Towards the end of 4th century Common Era, Christianity became the Dash religion of the Roman Empire official. The Crusades or Dash were fought between the Dash and the Dash. Holy War, Muslim, Christian. Match the following. Christianity का होगा E, spread by the apostles. Constantine, D का first Christian Roman emperor. Pope होगा B, Bishop of St. Peter's Church. Crucifixion का होगा A, गोलगथा. 5, Messiah, C, Jesus Christ. Jerusalem होगा G, Holy Land of the Christians. Barbarians होगा F, Vandals. Write T for true or F for false. Jesus grew up in Nazareth. वहां पर वो बड़ा हुए थे. T. Monks used to live in nunneries. Monks used to live in monasteries. इसलिए ये F. Jesus Christ was not baptized. F. The message of Christianity was the message of love. T. King Charlemagne was the protector of the papacy. T. Rome fell to the barbarians in 476 Common Era. T. Monasteries were also the centers of learning. T. Answer the following question briefly. What is the medieval period? Medieval period क्या है? जो पीरियड ancient and modern का बीच, उसको medieval period बोला जाता है. The period between ancient and modern is called medieval period. In Europe it was 5th to 15th century and in India it was 8th century to 18th century. Who were Jesus' parents? Jesus was born to an ordinary couple, Joseph and Mary. इसको तुम लिख सकते हो Joseph's parent was Joseph and Mary भी लिख सकते हो. यहाँ पर हम समझने के लिए थोड़ा लंबा कर दिए हैं. It is believed that just before his birth, Mary was visited by an angel who told her that she would have a son who would be blessed. What are the Gospels? The first 4 books of the New Testament that tells the story of Christ's life and teaching. उसको Gospel बोला जाता है. Why were the Jewish religious leaders angry with Jesus? क्यों गुस्सा हो गए? क्योंकि उसका पॉपुलैरिटी उसको गुस्सा दिलाया. The Jewish religious leaders felt threatened by Jesus' popularity. What is resurrection? In the 3rd day of crucifixion, his disciples found his tomb empty. They believed as God, he rose from dead. Christ rising from the dead is called resurrection. Answer the following questions in detail. Who was Jesus? What were his teaching? Jesus कौन था? Jesus का टीचिंग क्या था? Jesus was the founder of Christianity. Jesus' main message was that of love. He said, "Love your enemies, do good to those who hate you, bless those who curse you." He said that one must forgive others. If one wanted God to forgive one's wrongs, he gave a message of hope to the poor and suffering with a promise of happiness in heaven. How did Constantine establish Christianity in Europe? Constantine got many churches and monasteries constructed. Christian monks spent their lives traveling around spreading Jesus' message of love. Gradually, Christianity spread to almost whole of Europe, Great Britain, Switzerland, Germany, and other countries. How did the monasteries play an important role in education and serving the people? Latin and handmade illuminated manuscripts were studied in monasteries. As the monks wanted to serve the people, they opened the monasteries to weary travelers who wanted to rest or people who needed medical treatment. This act of service popularized Christianity amongst the people. What is the difference between AD and BC? What is the present name of AD and BC? AD and BC का difference क्या है और उसका present name क्या है? Anno Domini is abbreviated as AD and refers to the year of the Lord. AD is now referred to as CE or Christian era. The years before Christ are known as BCE. There is no zero in this scheme. Year CE1 follows immediately after BCE. Why was Jesus crucified? Certain Jewish religious groups such as Pharisees and other powerful leaders felt threatened by Jesus' popularity. They pressed false charges against him. They particularly objected to his title King of Jews. The Roman governor Pontius Pilate sentenced Jesus to death. Jesus was put on trial and nailed to the cross. What were crusades? Why did it take place? Crusades were the holy wars of the Christians against the Turkish Muslims who had captured the lands of the Christian Emperor of Constantinople and Jerusalem. ये है क्वेश्चन आंसर इस टॉपिक का. लाइक, शेयर and comment this video. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get earlier information. Thank you.